I'm no hero. Just a yordle with a hammer. Seems you left your brave pants at home. Want me to wait while you go get them? The hammer isn't mine. Just keeping it until the real guy shows up. I've heard a lot about this hero with a hammer. Can't wait to meet him. If I were a hero, where would I hide? Not coming back till I find that hero. One time I thought I found the hero, but he died. Today's the day I find that hero. I can do this. Here goes everything. I hope this works. No backing down. Swinging from the heels. Swinging from the heels. Sorry about this. Careful, this pack's a wallop. You should probably take cover. Ready, hammer? One whomp at a time. You might want to look out. Keep swinging till you hit something. Better get your guard up. You're in my way. Guess we're fighting. You are definitely not the hero. Whoa, you're a big fella. This should really be the hero's job. Wow,